Welcome to Nilok Styles Affirmations.
My dear, now it's time to have an evening calm affirmation. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Take this time to unwind. This is your moment to release the entire day. You are safe. You are calm. And you are ready to rest. Tonight, I give myself permission to relax. I give myself permission to let go. I allow peace to wash over my mind and my body. Everything I did today was enough. I showed up the best way I could. And now, I allow myself to rest deeply and peacefully. I release all tension from my body. My shoulders soften. My jaw relaxes. My breathing becomes slow and steady. With every breath, I let go a little more. With every exhale, I release what I no longer need. I am letting the day fade away. I release the thoughts that try to stay in my mind. I release the worries that try to follow me into the night. They are no longer mine to carry. Tonight, I choose peace over stress. I choose rest over pressure. I choose stillness over noise. My mind is becoming quiet. My heart is becoming lighter. My entire being is becoming calm. I welcome softness into my night. I welcome healing. I welcome comfort. I welcome deep, soothing rest. Everything can wait until tomorrow. Right now, I deserve calm. Right now, I deserve peace. Right now, I deserve deep rest. I trust that everything will work out. I trust that I am supported. I trust that life is guiding me gently, one step at a time. My thoughts are slowing down. My energy is settling. My breath is guiding me into peace. I am grateful for this day. I am grateful for the lessons. I am grateful for the strength inside me. And now, I am grateful for this moment of stillness. I choose to let go of anything heavy. I choose to release that I cannot control. I choose to protect my peace. My body knows how to relax. My body knows how to soften. My spirit knows how to rest. I am safe to rest. I am safe to pause. I am safe to surrender today. As I prepare for sleep, I call in calm energy, gentle energy, peaceful energy. My breath is steady. My heart is calm. My thoughts are light. I release fear. I release stress. I release overthinking. None of it belongs in my night. I welcome clarity. I welcome comfort. I welcome quiet. Tonight, I allow my body to heal. I allow my mind to rest. I allow my soul to recharge. I am supported by peace. I am surrounded by calm. I am held by the night. I am ready to rest. I am ready to sleep. I am ready to wake up renewed. Everything is okay. Everything will be okay. I am okay. Take one more deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and slowly exhale. Again, take one more deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and slowly exhale, letting go of the entire day. You are calm. You are peaceful. You are safe. And you are ready for deep restorative sleep. Good night and have a sweet dream. Thank you and see you on the next series.